Hello everybody, my name is JT. Today I'm going to do a install of a new filter for my Levoit air purifier. I've had my Levoit air purifier for a while now, and the filter change indicator on the top is telling me to change it, so I need to change the filter. And here is the filter replacement. So let's talk about the filter replacement and show you how to install this on my Levoit. So here we have it right here. Let me go ahead and open this up. Hope everybody's having a good day. Filter replacement. Here we have it. So let me just go ahead and open this up. And this is a HEPA H13 filter replacement. This has the three filter presets. It has a pre-filter, the HEPA filter. It has an active carbon filter as well. As you can see there, it's nice and new. And let's go ahead and remove the old one. My Levoit air purifier. Let me get it down here. The bottom part is where you actually remove it. All right, so I got it out. It was really dirty. I needed to clean it up first. So here is the filter replacement. I'm going to go ahead and put it in, and then we're going to go ahead and close it. Make sure you close it right. Now, there you go. Now it's sealed and it's ready to go. Let me see if I can go ahead and turn this on to see if everything's okay. Turn this on. Right now I'm getting an indication of the filter replacement. It was lighting up. It's good to go. And there you have it. So the filter replacement worked perfectly fine. Let me shut this off. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.